welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rituja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So first things first, I'm really very sorry for not being able to upload a video last week. That's because I had Ganpati at my place and the video that I pre-filmed for last week did not turn out to be nice. And hence I'm shooting this video to explain what happened with me in the last week. This is my first ever story time video and I'm pretty much excited about it. Also guys, we hit 500 subscribers and I'm so thankful for you guys for clicking the subscribe button. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to announce something very special for you guys. So yeah, let's hop into the video. Okay, so basically we have Ganpati at our place for 5 days every year, and Ganpati is my favorite festival, so I'm super duper excited about Ganpati every year. But this year, because of coronavirus, we could not invite a lot of people, but I was still very much excited and I decided to pre-film a video so that I have a video to upload during that week because I knew I wouldn't be able to shoot during that entire week. So I started shooting for that video, and that video was basically a festive glow up video. So in that video I was showing you guys how I do my hair, how I do my makeup and the outfit, basically how I get ready for a festival. So I started with my hair and I applied a hair mask, and then I was about to go for a bath. But then I had a second thought. I was like, why not, let's go for a blow dry. So I did not take a hair bath and I went for a blow dry. So basically there is a salon right behind my building, and that's the salon I trust completely because since I was small I usually visit there, and I have this one person who has been cutting my hair since I was small. So I decided to go over there. I called him up and I was like, are you available, let's say, because I want to blow dry my hair. So he's like, yeah, you come, we are open, you come, we have sanitized the place and everything, so you come. And I was like, yeah, okay, chalo. So I had the hair mask on and then I went. I'll attach some footage over here so that you get a clear picture that cutting my hair was never the plan. Like, it was never the plan. So guys, the random person that I am, I decided to come to a salon for a blow dry. So I did not take a hair bath, and now I'm at a salon which is right behind my building. So yeah, I go to the salon and the salon was khali, like there was no one. So I was sitting and I was vlogging. I was like, I am in the salon, I'm going to like blow dry my hair, I have the hair mask on and blah blah blah, like, for that video. So after that, the lady, she started washing my hair. While I was sitting on that chair, I started to think, chalo, like thoda sa trim kar dete, because it had been over 7 months that I did not visit a salon, and since like a year or two I love short hair. I was like, thoda sa trim karke it will be fine, and I did not tell anyone that I'm going for a blow dry or anything because I knew like I was going for a blow dry and I'll come, like it is not a big deal. So the lady was washing my hair, and till that time I had no plans of cutting my hair. So I only thought of trimming, as I mentioned earlier, but I had no plans of cutting my hair. So till then I was like nicely chilling and I was like, okay, I'll get a trim, blah blah blah. So I was waiting for my barber to come, and once he enters the salon, I'm like, I want to cut my hair. I don't know what went inside me. I was like, I want to cut my hair karke. So he's like, what you want to do? Like, do you have anything in your mind? Because usually when I cut my hair, I give him a reference picture and then I tell him like, this is what I want, and I ask him for his advice, like, kaisa dikhega mere pe, will it suit me or not? And this time my mind was not at all prepared because I myself did not know that I was going to get a haircut. So luckily I had, not luckily, but I had some pictures saved in my Pinterest board. So I showed it to him and I was like, like which one will suit me? So basically there is this haircut, I don't know if it's called mushroom cut or basically Prajakta Kolika haircut, if you know what I'm saying. So I was like, will this haircut suit me? And I was asking him, I was taking his advice as usual. I was like, what, will this haircut suit me? Please guide me. So he's like, ha, it will suit you karke achhe se, it will suit you, ye wo. I think he got very excited to see me, but joking. So he's like, it is going to suit you and I'll cut it. So I was like, yeah, cut it, but don't cut my length. Hair length itna hi rakho. This is the shortest I've ever been. I chopped my hair till ear, but this is like the shortest I've ever been. So I was like, itna hi katna, usse upar mat jao. So he started cutting my hair, and once I saw that he chopped my hair, can you see how small my hair is from behind? Because of the mushroom cut thingy. I literally lost my mind. I was like, what the hell just happened? I was shooting that part, okay? I'll attach the same thingy over here. I was shooting and I was like, what did just happen? I skipped my heartbeat. I'm like, am I going to look nice in this hair? If not, my mother is going to sue me because I did not tell her that I'm going for a haircut. My entire family loves long hair and I'm the only one who has short hair. I literally got zoned out. I'm like, what? Like, how am I going to go home and show my face to people? Because I was shit scared, okay? So everything happened and I literally did not like the haircut, how it turned out. One day before Ganpati, how can I take such stupid decisions? So you know what, like I did not want to cry in front of him. So I told him, yeah, it's cool, blah, blah, blah. And then I came home, and when I came home, I lost it. When I saw myself in the mirror properly, that's when I completely lost it. I'm like, what the hell did he do to my hair, bro? I trusted you with my hair. Like, what did you do to my hair? Because I couldn't see myself in the mirror and I don't know what was I going to say to my mom and my dad. He chopped my hair aise and only the two parts he kept it like itna length mein and baki ka chota, because that's how the mushroom cut is. But it was not at all looking good on me. So that's when I stopped filming the video that I planned to film for Ganpati, like the festive glow up, because I had completely lost my mind. I was about to cry. I did not know what to say and I did not know how to fix things. So I was like, you know what, I'm not going to film anything. So I just left the video incomplete. Like so mad at him that
you are a hairstylist, you need to know you're going to suit for your clients. You cannot give advices like, हाँ हो जाएगा.
I completely lost faith in him.
What was I thinking? Like, why?
So I called my mom and I was like, I chopped my hair. It is very short. Please don't be mad at me when you come home, when you see me. And she just kept the phone. I felt so terrible because I wasn't liking the look myself. So how am I supposed to convince them? So she came home and he was like, what did you do to your hair? She did not yell at me because we had Ganpati, so she did not want to spoil the atmosphere and all. So tabhi main bach gayi. Ganpati started, blah blah blah, and then the next day I was mad, okay, because I thought I'll style my hair, I'll curl them, so it will look nice. I'll leave a picture over here when I curled my hair, and I was not liking it. I was like, how bad can it look? Then after that, I went on Pinterest. I started searching for solutions. What can I do? The first solution that came in my mind was cutting my bangs, because as I mentioned that this part was very long as compared to the picture side. So I was like, you know what, this is the look that I'm going to go for. I'm going to chop my own freaking hair. I don't care how it turns out, because I knew that the previous haircut that I had did not suit me at all. So I was like, you know what, like abhi itna sab kar liya hai, to let's mess it more. But no, it looks good, I feel. Let me know in the comment box below how you're liking this look. So on the first day of Ganpati, I went to my mom. I was like, you know, I'm not liking this hair and can I like chop my bangs? So she's like,
you have already spoiled your hair.
Blah blah blah. Like she gave me a whole bhashan because I literally had hair till my waist. So she's like, abhi tune itna sab kar liya hai, so why you want to spoil it more? Don't do that, ye wo. So 3 years back I had bangs and I showed her that picture, like, mom, this is going to look much better than what it is looking right now, so please give me the permission. So I muscofied her and then I got the permission. So my best friend had come over and she also thought that it was a good idea for me to get bangs. So I filmed the entire thingy where I got my own bangs. So I'm going to attach it over here so that you can see.
पहले एकदम इतने से शुरू कर.
इतना काट दो पहले.
हाँ.
Much better.
Back with a bang.
गौरी मैं तेरे को नेक्स्ट आने वाली हूँ, मुझे टेंशन है.
I'm better behind the camera. This is enough.
This looks so pretty.
Yes. बाल खोल, पीछे के बाल खोल पहले. Ooh, yay!
After so much of jhanjhat, after going for a haircut, after cutting my own hair, this is the final look that I came up with for myself, and I think I pretty much like it because the first look was, I can't even get started on that. Like if you want to call me Anjali, if you want to call me Tokyo, I'm okay with it. Leave positive comments in the comment section below because बाल है यार, घर की खेती है, बढ़ने ही वाले, so please don't give me hate. I know I look like a 5-year-old, but I'm liking it. Honestly, I'm liking it. So that was all the mess that happened to me within 48 hours. I went to a salon, I got a bad haircut, and I got my own bangs, I fixed my hair, and you can see the outcome, which I pretty much like right now. So hence I couldn't upload the festive glow up video because it is incomplete, and I wouldn't be able to do justice to it because my mood was totally effed up, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to film any longer. I don't know if this story time was interesting or not, but I promised on my Instagram that I'm going to do a story time about what happened, why I did not post a video, what went wrong. So here is everything that went wrong. Bad decisions make good stories, so I made a story time video. So lame, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm like shit nervous about this video because this is my first ever story time video, and I hope I did justice to this video. I'm going to take this new haircut very positively. I'm going to film a lot of content around this haircut because I already have planned a lot of things for my Instagram and YouTube as well. As I mentioned in my intro earlier, I'm going to announce something special in my outro, and I would like to tell you guys that I'm planning to host a giveaway if we hit 1k subscribers till the end of September. So if you want me to host a giveaway, make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this with your friends, ask them to subscribe to this channel so that I'll come up with an amazing giveaway for you guys because you have been supporting me in my initial days, and that is something that I'll never forget because I remember myself filming last week video where I was like, I'm so thankful for 200 subscribers, and we are at 500 and plus subscribers, so it really makes my heart happy, and I think the 1k goal is not impossible. So please help me to hit 1k, subscribe to my channel as I said, share it with your friends, tag me on my Instagram, you know the drill. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.